Good morning, students. The coronavirus outbreak has become one of the most dangerous events of the decade, if not the current century. Today, I am going to brief you all about COVID 19 or coronavirus. Now, first of all, what is COVID 19? COVID 19 is an infectious disease caused by the recently found virus known as SARS CoV coronavirus 2. Before the outbreak, it originated in Wuhan, China on December 2019. There was no information about this virus. Now, the symptoms of coronavirus. The symptoms are high fever, tiredness, and dry cough. How can you protect yourself from COVID 19? What are the do's and the don'ts? You need to monitor the patient from worsening symptoms. If got affected, clean high-touch surfaces and wash laundry frequently. Care for patients' pets, run errands as allowed. Open windows and use an air conditioner for good airflow, and wash hands often and avoid face touching. What are the don'ts? Do not let in non-essential visitors. Do not use the same bathroom or sleep in the same room if possible. Do not share dishes, utensils, cups, towels, or bedding. Do not touch patient without wearing a face mask and gloves. Reuse face mask and do not use the reused face masks and gloves. Follow these rules when you come home from outside. When you come home, try not to touch anything. Remove your shoes outside. Disinfect your pet's paws if you took them for a walk. Remove your clothes and place them in a bag to be washed. Leave your bag, purse, wallet, keys, etc. in box at the entry of your home. Have a shower. If you can't, wash all exposed areas. Wash your mobile phones and glasses with hot soapy water. You can wipe it off. Clean all the stuff that you have brought with bleach before storing them. Carefully remove and dispose your gloves and then wash your hands. And remember that it is impossible to do complete disinfection. The goal is to minimize the risk. If someone gets affected, then what should you do? Then you should need to take proper care if someone gets affected by these people. There are some safety measures which you need to take and which you need to follow. The first, do not go near any fire source after applying alcohol-based hand sanitizer or spray, as it is highly inflammable. Do not leave hand sanitizer in the vehicle as it may lead to fire accident. Keep the hand sanitizer out of the reach of toddlers as it can be dangerous if swallowed. Now, what is social distancing? Social distancing 2 meter space between you and other people. You should not shake hands or make close contacts where possible. Now, there are some rules to be followed, and they are: maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Avoid large meeting, gathering, get-togethers, examples conference, sporting events, religious events, national or international events. Avoid crowded place, example malls, restaurants, religious places, etc. One of the most effective measure is mask. Mask is the need of the time. And how can you take care of mask? Do not share your reusable mask with anyone. Wash the reusable masks daily with soap and water. Avoid pulling off your mask frequently when you are outside, and maintain your personal hygiene. Why you need to wear mask? Because it lowers risk of inhaling virus through infected droplets. It prevents passing on germs through coughing or sneezing, and it helps you stay safe. If infected, then you need to self quarantine yourself. And what are the do's and don'ts? You should stay home and avoid public areas and mass transit. Isolate yourself from others in your home. Use a separate bathroom if possible. Call ahead before visiting the doctor. Wash your hands often. Wear a mask around other people and pets, and cover coughs and sneezes. You should not go outside for any reason. Do not let in any non-essential visitor. Do not have contact with pets and other animals if possible. Do not share space with housemates if possible. Do not share dishes, utensils, cups, towels and beddings. Go to doctor without calling ahead, and discontinue home isolation until instructed. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. For the sake of lives lost and the rest of humanity, let us pledge to beat Corona back. Thank you.